You can easily fix the P2229 engine code by cleaning the MAF sensor. This means that the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, senses a high electrical reading from the barometric pressure sensor A or its circuits. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. Mass airflow sensor is a device in a car that measures the amount of air entering the engine. It is located on the left side of the engine compartment attached to the air cleaner housing. A faulty MAF sensor can result in a rough idle, and you may have trouble starting your car and experience poor fuel economy. So here is the practical solution to fix the P2229 error code at home. MAF sensor. Carefully remove the mass sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around wire. Inside often gets dirty and needs to be clean. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. Mostly it comes in Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, BMW, Chevy, Mazda, Volvo, Acura, Honda, Cadillac, Hyundai, Saab, Ford, and many more. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe us for more updates. Thanks for watching.